Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to read a book about potty time and potty training. This little boy says, "Now I can go potty all by myself." And this book has a little button that you push that sounds like a toilet flushing, which makes it fun for kids. Let's begin. It's potty time. It's time to go potty. Everyone goes potty. Let me show you how. And there's the kitty going potty in the kitty litter. I don't like to be dirty or wet. It feels yucky. So I use the toilet. The sound of the toilet used to scare me. I flush the toilet. Flush, flush, flush. Flush, flush, flush. Now I'm not scared anymore. I stand up to go pee-pee. I sit down to go poo-poo. When I'm done, I wipe my bottom with toilet paper. I flush the toilet. Flush, flush, flush. I wash my hands. I feel clean and dry. I like that a lot. And it's a good idea, if you're learning to use the potty, to make a little sticker chart so that you can put a sticker every time you've used the potty, flushed the toilet, and washed your hands. And you can make your own chart at home and get some stickers. And so that is the Potty Time book. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.